Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at the yearn.finance or YFI, currently ranked at 157 with a market cap of about $265 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $101 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So as you can see on the day, we are down for YFI about 5.2%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And one of the things basically we could see right here for YFI is right here that we have seen this huge push to the 200 EMA, which we said last in our last video. Now this is our last point of call, right? If we see, we have been seeing some sort of sideways price action, right, which means there's high likelihood when we see these 200 EMA pushing to the downside, this is a very, very dangerous thing, right? As we do not want to see these 50 EMA cross these 200 EMA. For now, we could see some sort of huge consolidation, and we want to see a bounce above this $4,000 level, right? Because if we continue to see this consolidation and the 50 EMA, right, comes back down below this $8,000 level, that could be very, very disastrous, right? Because every single time we have seen the cross, as you can see, we saw the cross right here, push to the downside, right? As you can see, every single time we saw the 50 5 EMA cross the 200 EMA, that had been a dead cross. As you can see, we saw that at the $6,700 level. We saw YFI push as low as 27%, right? So we do not want to see that scenario occur. Same thing right here. We were very bullish when we saw our bullish cross, our golden cross, right here at $5,000 level, and that was why we were expecting higher price targets, right? As you can see, we saw the cross, we saw prices pushed to as high as the $15,000 level, and currently we are seeing this consolidation, right? So we do not want to see the cross, right? We want to consolidate and see a bounce to the upside, right? If a bounce is not coming over the next few days, this could look very, very disastrous right here for YFI, as we could see YFI have even more downward turn, right? But currently we are consolidating, and we are not very, very certain about what will happen, right? So we should just wait for the next few days. We could see YFI just consolidate, right? If we bounce to the upside, that could be bullish, but if we bounce to the downside, that could be very, very bearish, right? So basically that is the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.